Evening, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Yeah, Mijan, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And you?
Also good? Yeah, we are not having communication almost from 1 year now, huh?
Yeah. So after a long time, we will meet. Okay. So
Yeah, actually, Mijam, I have this work is still not completed, and we would like to complete it. And if you can make this for the aridity map, I need for the time or time series. Let's say I am saying 2000, 2000 every 5 year interval code making farming over the time period. Maybe there may not be the aridity in 2010 or 2005, but there may be aridity index a high level in 2023. And to justify this one, I need to show some sort of rainfall trend over and then groundwater or water resources because this is related to water. Just three things. If you can make this map in Google Earth, I remember that you had presented something to me last time also. Uh, is it possible? Do you remember where is it? Possible to show something to me? You don't need to show any code, anything. And I have not
okay,
paid. And
okay. So no
yes.
problem. So you
Hmm.
just in this time you just need only for the figure, only for the map about that. For you want to identify for aridity zone, and then every five
Yes,
years interval you want to make the map and also make the time series chart. Did you need the time series chart about that or not?
we need time series also. We need time series also. Actually, this is a small work. Actually, we want to write something about this agriculture related thing on that issue. And for that one, this is the small task. Actually, we need to understand how it is happening. That's the reason I'm asking you to make this map. Do you have something in your computer? Can you show me?
Okay, let me share. And last time we also used the some different time of different countries.
Yes,
Okay.
21 countries, Yuana
Yes.
countries.
At the same
Still,
time,
I'm
in this time we will also add
same
the
countries.
same. Okay. Okay.
Same countries. And if we see some country, let's say, more important or happening desertification or aridity more or faster than other country, then we will zoom out that country. But in second stage, in the first stage, you can just show me how it is happening.
Okay. Okay. So let me share my screen. I try to open the
Yes,
last time
please.
work. It also better. Okay.
Yeah,
Let me
my
share.
colleague Mina is also here. Mina, maybe can you also come to see
Okay.
the map? Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Oh, yeah, it is here. It's coming.
Okay, so
Uh,
here you can see, okay, I think it's a full world. Okay, this
yes,
result show for the whole
yes,
world. Okay, and I think I
yeah.
am not saving the previous word. It also okay, no problem. I also try to make again and then try
Mm-hmm,
to show you the result. Okay, so
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
okay, it also show the time series chat about that.
Yeah,
Okay, so it's the show for the whole world. In this demo, we identify
yeah.
about the
Maybe.
hyper-arid, arid, semi-arid, dry, sub, humid, and normal. Okay. So in this time, we
Yes.
want to make only for the arid region. Our main focus only for the arid region.
No, 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 no. We need to go like this from bigger to smaller picture, Mijam. Actually, this is fine. In the first step, one figure, I can show that those are the hyper arid, arid, semi arid. Which satellite image you use? It's of course, no?
So is it Modis satellite imagery? We are using at that mainly use at the Modis.
Modis. Okay,
Yeah, Modis
okay. You
satellite
use
imagery.
Modis. Uh huh.
So
Yes.
I show
Can you
you
go in the
this
map?
data.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just
Uh, yeah. Map. It's. I think it's coming. No. It's maybe rotating.
this data should are using here.
Yes.
Mainly the mode is LST, terrace land surface
Uh-huh.
temperature, emissivity daily.
Yes, this then aridity based on only temperature or rainfall. You include rainfall also.
In this time, we are considering in here temperature.
I think need to
No, I
consider
think
rainfall. Rainfall
rainfall
is
is
much more important.
than temperature.
And what's the formula of aridity index? I
I
have
think
seen a few times ago. I
rainfall
forgot
and
it now.
PET. We need to have like
Right, right. When we say arid means this has higher evapotranspiration rate than rainfall.
it should be less.
Uh,
Also should be less than 60.
yes, you. I think I am hoping that you are using the same formula here. You know, you are the GS person, man. Now that's the reason I'm not saying you the formula before. By the way, I'm very happy you are running very good classes, huh?
Yes.
Good. Let's finish here and then we'll go there also.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, so in this time
Yeah.
you need the same countries. Okay, so mainly.
Same
Uh,
21
okay,
countries.
I totally forget
Yes.
about the country name. So kindly you
No,
can,
no,
if
of
possible, you
course.
can also resend me all of those countries name. Then it also better for me.
I didn't see. Yeah, I was thinking to check the
You
same
know the idea.
uh,
I don't know, Krishna.
file. Okay, just a minute. Which I share with you, but maybe I'll check my WhatsApp message.
Yeah, yeah. You
I
also check
didn't
about
see
that and send me
in
again.
my
Then I
email
also
your
try
email
to. Yeah.
ID. Send me your email address.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will send this again. I'll try to find. And Mina, you were saying something.
No, no. What I'm saying is our main objective is, the aridity is increasing over the country,
Over the
the country
time.
and continent. So, for
Over the
example,
time.
yeah, over the time, definitely.
Yes.
Like, for example, in globally, if we look at globally, the aridity area could have been like a certain percentage, certain area. Maybe after 10 years or 15 years, the area of aridity, the arid area is expanding. So our objective is to how aridity is expanding on those countries, especially in MENA countries, where there is like a
I said
really,
21 countries
yeah,
before to
uh,
Mejan.
exactly,
Yeah.
where there is like a really increasing
Uh,
temperature and also declining
Maybe
the.
this time we can explore Kazakhstan or a bit of those countries, Central Asian.
Mhm.
Nizam, maybe I will check the country again. Maybe
Yes.
this will be 19 or 17 or 21. Uh, and as Mina said, and I also was saying the same thing, first map will be what is in the 21 country in 2000, 2005, 10, 15, 20, 23. Five map in first attempt. Let's say first stage. Then, after having those map, as Mina said, maybe in Morocco, aridity might have been increasing faster. We need those values in Excel also. And we'll compare percentage aridity in different years in different countries in 21 all countries. And from there, we will be able to know that in which country aridity is moving faster.
Yes.
Okay. And after this analysis, maybe you can send me that one also. It need to come in Excel. I should to be able to download that one country-wise area map of aridity. All classes you can put hyper aridity, semi-arid, arid. By the way, I didn't see arid is also necessary. Arid, all classes, five classes need to be there. And then after we look the country-wise data over the time, we will say, Nizam, please make better map, high resolution map of those country because those country might have bigger impact of aridity.
Yes.
Okay, second step and third step, I will ask you to make some sort of rainfall and you said temperature and I would say rainfall water related thing will be much more important and water and then temperature maybe 4 or 5 type category of map are needed and last time yes please possible yes is it possible or not
Yeah, it's also
Nizam?
possible. You can send me your all of those countries name again, and
Sure.
further I try to develop this code in Google Earth Engine. Okay.
Yes.
Then
And
yeah.
as I said, develop, maybe I'll write those steps also. Previously also I had written you, but I'll repeat it again. because it's long time. And then our objective is just to know how aridity is moving. And there I will send you the formula also, but you know, you should, I think you know the formula already. Please consider rainfall and evapotranspiration or evaporation. Then if there is provision for temperature also, this is not bad to include, but solely based on temperature is not required for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also one
Mm.
is, I don't know, Krishna, you mentioned on that.
Uh,
It's not only the 16 countries, but one map can be like, in 15 years, how
you mean globally?
in globally, how the aridity has been increased. Like, okay,
Mhm.
this was the areas
Okay.
in 2000.
Then I'll talk with Mina, and then it should be the beginning step. Nizam already has this map. Actually, this in this data source with Nizam source, this is already there also. We just cannot download. That's the thing. We are very limited skill. Then, Nizam, I will try to process your payment. Don't worry on that one. Okay, and just for us, try to make us a satisfactory result. Okay.
Okay, no problem. And don't need to make the
Yeah.
payment before. Okay, first of all, complete all
No,
of those
no,
things.
I
You make the payment.
necessary. This
Okay,
also
not need to make the
necessary.
payment before.
But
Okay.
payment, don't worry, we will make. And let's move for the output, and
Okay.
then we'll make you in
First
few
of all,
days.
you see all of those output, then you make the payment. Okay,
Yes,
then it also better for
absolutely,
me, and I also get the
absolutely.
satisfaction because I
Let's start
fully
this one as
do
beginning
things
work,
and get the
Visa.
payment. Yeah.
In future, we might have a lot of work. Uh, I will ask you make us satisfied. Okay, we will do. Payment, don't worry. Okay. Okay, Vijam. Then thank you very
Thank you.
much for
Okay, thank
coming.
you.
I
Okay, bye.
will talk with Mina, a colleague, and then come up with some sort of list of the things what we need. And please don't take too long, because otherwise we'll again start forgetting, and a project go behind. If possible, in 1 or 2 days, that would be really appreciated.
Okay, thank you.
Actually, we must meet the deadline, and immediately we will provide you the feedback, and we'll move forward again accordingly. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, my friend. How is everything in Bangladesh?
Now Alhamdulillah, everything is good.
Uh-huh. You have now new president, yes?
So now, what do you say?
New president, no? You
Yes,
had
yes.
election few months ago. Yeah. Good. Good. No, no, Bangladesh is progressing good. I have been visiting there almost uh, quite often in few years interval. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You are in Rasai? Where you are now? In Dinajpur, Rasai? I have visited all those places before.
Okay, so now I am in Jamalpur. Do you know about
Ah,
the
Jabalpur.
Jamalpur?
Okay. Okay.
So it's
Okay. It's
near to
good.
the Dinajpur, Rangpur, nearby city.
Okay. You are very close to Nepal then, huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
So
Dinajpur is not far from there. Japa.
then
Yeah.
Kurigram. So it's very close to
Yeah.
the Nepal.
Yes, right. Okay, please. We will send you the list, and maybe will you be able to show us some more maps tomorrow?
Okay, so I will try. I will try.
Yeah, nighttime might work for you, because we have almost a 5 or 6 hour time difference. Now it's just 2:55 for us. Anytime when you are ready, I know you are very busy during daytime, but nighttime, 9, 10 o'clock, 5 o'clock, anytime, your time, whichever is convenient, just call us. Okay?
Okay, I will knock you. Okay.
Yeah, just let me know, sir. Come to Google Meet, then we'll meet and then we'll discuss. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mijam. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
thank you. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Bye.